Check out this 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features included RS package, 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.